Support conversations don't happen in one place anymore. They are coming in from Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, email, live chat, plus a dozen other places. When volume is low, you can get away with multiple channels. But at scale, it turns into a risk. The same message gets answered twice. No one is sure who owns what. Follow-ups rely on memory instead of a process. And suddenly, your inbox isn't just busy, it's chaotic. The real problem isn't the number of messages, it's the lack of structure behind them, which leads to slower replies, inconsistent communication, and zero accountability. Let's look at 4 ways to eliminate inbox clutter by adding structure, so your team stays fast, organized, and accountable as volume grows. First, centralize everything into a single, unified inbox. When customer messages come into one place, you stop switching between tools and losing context, giving you a clear, complete view of every interaction, right where you need it. As volume grows, this structure helps you stay in control without feeling overwhelmed. You can filter chats by source, category, priority, or department, and save them as views, based on how your team works. So billing issues don't get buried under order status requests, and nothing slips through the cracks. Second, automate routing and assignment of chat messages. Manual sorting is where speed quietly breaks down. With chat workflows, you can assign conversations instantly. Messages that mention refunds or invoices can go straight to billing. VIP customers can be marked high priority. Shipping questions can be routed to the right agent automatically. Every conversation gets an owner the moment it arrives, preventing duplicate replies and missed responses. Next, AI agents that handle repeated queries. Repetition is a major source of inbox clutter. Order status, pricing, availability, and basic how-to questions. An AI agent can respond instantly using your knowledge base, giving customers quick answers while keeping those conversations out of your agent's queues. This leaves agents focused on complex, emotional, and high-impact issues that need human attention. Finally, auto-close inactive conversations. Dormant threads can remain open even after a customer issue is resolved. This makes the inbox overwhelming, even when there's no work left. With auto-close rules, you can close inactive conversations after a set period, so only active work stays visible and priorities stay clear. These are the 4 crucial tools that every help desk expert uses to reduce inbox clutter. Check out the link in this video's description and try BoldDesk free for 15 days to witness these tools.